Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a Craftsman mini LED work light. I'm going to open it up and let you guys take a closer look at it. So here it is, the mini LED work light. First impression is very nice and compact, fits in the hand very well. It has a belt clip on the back of it that you can attach to any articles of clothing or anything you feel like it can clip onto. The exterior of it is rubberized, which has a nice feel and grip to it. On the back, or on the bottom, there is a magnetic base, which you can attach to any metallic surface. And this is also where you open up the cap to replace the batteries. It uses 3 AAA batteries, which are included in the package. It has 6 white LEDs, which are rated at 60 lumens. On the top is the on and off switch. So it has a nice color and brightness to it. Now there's only one setting for this light, and it's only on or off. So you can't have just certain LEDs come on or off. So this is just a one setting light. And I have a pen for size comparison, so you can tell how compact this light is. So here it is, the Craftsman mini LED work light. Now if you're interested in this product, I have a direct link to it on Amazon, so it makes it easier for you to find it on Amazon. Thank you for watching.